So oil pressure / temp sensor and oil change. What's going on, guys? It's your boy RaceCarRichie, and we're back with Brian and his Eclipse.
It's gonna be really boring, so.
We're gonna be doing an oil change and oil pressure sensor, and it also does oil temperature as well, so enjoy the show. All right, so Brian just got the car jacked up, just putting some jack stands down. We are going to be hooking up this temperature / oil pressure sensor to the ECU. So there's gonna be a -3 line that goes from the sensor to the oil filter housing to supply the pressure and temperature of the oil to the sensor, and then we're going to program it. So we just gotta do an oil change, or we gotta drain the oil first. We're gonna do an oil change. So there's the, where is it? There's the oil filter.
Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling at
Liquid gold, baby.
Yeah, it's juicy.
So we're just gonna pop the sandwich plate off now.
It is bigger than 24.
Nah, it's definitely a 27.
Oh, glad I didn't put it on too tight.
Yeah.
We don't know what we're doing.
So we don't have a socket size for this,
Because we're morons.
which is the old oil pressure dummy light. So we're just gonna
Send it.
Oh my god.
with some vice grip.
I don't know. Yeah, it's juicy.
All right, so as you can see, Brian has changed his technique to now the forward position.
Send it.
He's just giving it all the beans. It is coming out. It's just there's no room to work in there. And yeah, probably just gonna music over this, and it doesn't even matter what I say.
We have success.
So these are the goodies. We got the oil line, which is just gonna extend so the oil sensor's off the motor. If the oil sensor's off the motor, it's less likely to blow out or go bad. So that hose is gonna go right there. That one to the sensor, and that's it. So this is some thread sealant. Just gonna gabagool it on.
Yeah, it's juicy.
That's an 1/8 inch NPT to an 1/8 inch NPT adapter.
Yeah, it's juicy.
That is a 1/8 inch NPT to a 3AN fitting.
That's pretty tight.
It's a Bosch sensor, and these are the numbers. Shout out to Cleetus, Motion Raceworks. An oil pressure block, or whatever you want to call it, a little manifold, and we got that from Motion Raceworks. So we tighten everything with these pliers.
Because we're morons.
These are the go-to pliers. Sizes 9 through 45 millimeter, and they work great. You look so focused on doing this.
Very excited. I guess that's tight.
Put in some more thread sealant on some adapters.
Yeah, it's juicy. Extra oil filter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait, how many?
Well, it's gonna be 4 now.
You have 5 oil filters.
I got,
My God.
I got a couple spark plugs too.
And he's got enough spark plugs to...
Grip. I guess that's tight.
Remember, guys, always use an impact gun to tighten your oil filters. Brian, what the hell are you doing?
Told me to tighten it with the biggest impact gun I have.
The oil filter?
Yeah, why?
Oh my God. All right, so Brian just drained the oil. He's now tightening the oil plug, and we're gonna fill her up. All right, so we just got the oil drained. We got the sensor censored up, and now we're gonna fill it up and give it a start and dial in some settings for the sensors. Look at that nice oil. What do you got there, Brian?
You PR1 2150.
The good stuff.
Good stuff. It went on so much better.
It's okay. It's funny when you with it.
Because we're morons.
And yes, we did clean the oil filter housing for all you clean nerds out there. Let's see if it blows up. So just crank it for 1 second. Where's the oil pressure?
It's negative or 0.
Yep.
I should have got a Honda.
All right, so we just took this line off. We cranked it till oil came out just to bleed the air out. And now we're gonna go ahead and crank it. Go ahead.
That's good. 80.
Perfect.
About time.
Guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. And next time we're gonna be doing a boost leak test on the car just to kind of verify that all the stuff he installed is not leaking. So stay tuned for that. Catch you next time.
Yeah, it's juicy.
Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless.